All right, so we got a corner room at the Gabriel. As you can tell, a lot of lights. Yeah. A long hallway. This is what the corner room look like. But before we get into there, this is the bathroom. Shower. With the see-through glass. The non-privacy. Yeah. Yeah. You got the tub. Double sink. Mirror. Another mirror. And then the bathroom is in here. Blvd. I think that was how you pronounce it. I ain't for sure. And then you got a toilet right there. Coming up out of there. Close that. Curtain that off as well. More curtains. But you can't see nothing out of these though. And then you come into the room part. Well, and you have this part. Safe. Hangers. Ironing board. Mirror. And then we come to the room part. Lamp. So you turn it on and off. Click that button. From the bed area. So this is the bed. So from here, this is the view. You wake up in the morning, whatever, you look straight out the window with the balcony right there. TV. Boom. All right. So we got a chair. So you can crack this open even further. Yeah. Big wide view. Look like they're doing some construction. come outside. This is the balcony. Double chairs. This is what it looked like from the balcony. Awful windy. It's windy. Traffic. You hear all the noise. It's windy. And look at that curve. That thing going crazy. I don't know if y'all can see that over there. That's where the cruises go. That's the Sail the Virgin Way. So that's the, I don't know what that is. I don't know what boat that is, but I think that's the Virgin boat. Little tour of the Gabriel corner unit with the balcony, bay view, and what's that over there called? Bay view and what? What is this called? City? And the city view. Best of both worlds. There y'all have it. So if y'all can, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell so you'll be notified. Halloween is right around the corner, so we're gonna start hitting up Spirit Halloweens and all that good stuff. Ain't that right, Miss Chanelli? Yeah. Yes, sir. Catch y'all on the next video. Peace.